Welcome back to Car Vibes, where today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about cars of the upcoming year, the 2026 Plymouth Fury. That's right. After decades away from the spotlight, the Plymouth brand has made an unexpected but thrilling return, and it's done so with a name that carries serious weight in American automotive history. The Fury has always been associated with raw power, bold styling, and a commanding road presence, and the 2026 version is no exception. But this isn't just a retro tribute. This is a reimagined icon built for the future, combining modern engineering, aggressive design, and electric performance in a way that has the entire car community buzzing at first glance. The 2026 Fury commands attention. The design cues borrow from the classic Fury DNA, with long, low lines, muscular haunches, and a menacing front fascia that nods to the past while embracing the future. The front grille features an illuminated Fury badge and active shutters that adjust for aerodynamics, flanked by razor-thin LED headlamps with sequential turn signals. The hood is sculpted with deep lines that hint at the power beneath, and the silhouette has that fastback look that screams performance. Even the rear is unmistakably aggressive, with a full-width LED taillight strip and a subtle ducktail spoiler integrated into the trunk lid. But make no mistake, the 2026 Plymouth Fury is not just about looking fast. It is fast. Underneath that striking body is a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain that delivers a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 850 pounds-ft of torque. 0 to 60, just 3.1 seconds. And with instant torque delivery thanks to the EV setup, this Fury launches like a beast unleashed. It's built on Stellantis STLA large platform, which has been purpose-built to support high-performance electric vehicles with advanced thermal management, weight distribution, and battery efficiency. It features a 108 kWh battery pack with a real-world range of around 370 miles on a full charge, making it as practical as it is potent. Driving dynamics are sharp and refined. The suspension setup includes adaptive dampers and a multi-link rear configuration that keeps the Fury planted in the corners. Steering is direct, with a tight ratio that gives excellent road feel, especially in Sport Plus mode. There's also rear wheel steering available on higher trims, which improves low-speed maneuverability and high-speed stability. Regenerative braking is customizable, allowing the driver to toggle between a more traditional driving feel or true one-pedal operation. And for those who still crave that vintage muscle car soundtrack, Plymouth includes a synthesized performance exhaust that mimics the rumble of a V8 through the cabin and external speakers, but with the option to turn it off for silent, stealthy driving. Inside the Fury, the design ethos is futuristic but functional. Materials are premium across the board: recycled carbon fiber trims, Alcantara inserts, contrast-stitched vegan leather, and brushed aluminum. The driver-centric cockpit features a 14.3-inch curved digital instrument cluster and a massive 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Stellantis' latest Uconnect 6 interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as are over-the-air updates, 5G connectivity, and a head-up display with augmented reality navigation. There's also a unique performance data recorder built in, letting you capture lap times, acceleration runs, and telemetry data right from the main screen. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed in the name of speed either. The seats are deeply bolstered for spirited driving, but offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The rear bench offers ample legroom for a performance coupe. Then, thanks to the flat floor design inherent in EVs, it's surprisingly spacious. In back, trunk space is generous for the segment. And there's even a front trunk core frunk that adds another 6 cubic feet of storage. Ambient lighting with over 64 color options wraps around the cabin, giving the interior a mood to match. The Drive the Technology suite is as advanced as you'd expect. You get Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities with adaptive cruise, lane centering, automatic lane changes, and parking assist. The AI-based driver attention monitoring system ensures you stay alert. And multiple onboard cameras provide 360-degree visibility, including augmented overlays for blind spots and off-road driving. Yes, you heard that right, the Fury even offers an off-road mode for a new all-terrain trim called the Fury X, which features increased ground clearance, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Customization is a big part of the 2026 Fury experience. Plymouth is launching with a range of bold color options, from classic deep burgundy and jet black to modern metallics like lunar silver and electric blue. There's even a special edition Retro Fury package that brings back iconic styling. Elements from the 1970s, including chrome accents, vinyl roof graphics, and a two-tone interior. Wheel options range from 19 to 22 inches, and performance brakes with red or black Brembo calipers complete the package. Pricing for the 2026 Fury starts at around $58,000 for the base single-motor rear-wheel drive version, which still packs an impressive 480 horsepower. The dual-motor AWD performance model begins at $69,000. And the range-topping Fury GT with all the bells and whistles pushes just past the $85,000 mark. While that might seem high for a Plymouth, remember, you're not just buying a car, you're buying into the return of an American legend re-engineered for a new generation and compared to competitors in the EV performance space. The Fury is bringing serious value to the table. What makes this car even more significant is what it represents. The revival of the Plymouth brand and, especially the Fury nameplate, isn't just nostalgia for its own sake. It's a reminder that American car culture is evolving. That performance doesn't have to come at the expense of the environment, and that the muscle car spirit can live on even if there's no combustion engine under the hood. The 2026 Fury proves that electric doesn't have to mean boring. It doesn't have to mean soulless. It can be wild, thrilling, and emotional. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Plymouth Fury isn't just a good EV or a solid performance, it's a game changer. It dares to bring back an iconic name and actually lives up to it, blending retro attitude with futuristic capability. Whether you're a longtime mopar enthusiast or someone new to the performance car world, this one deserves your attention. It's fast, stylish, loaded with tech, and surprisingly practical. Most importantly, it brings excitement back to a segment that's desperately needed a shakeup. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Plymouth Fury. Let us know in the comments what you think about this bold revival. Would you buy one? Are you excited to see the Plymouth name back on the streets? Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown. And subscribe to Car Vibes for more honest reviews, detailed analysis, and the latest from the world of automotive design and innovation. Until next time, keep the vibes rolling and the wheels turning.